Hello, I'm here to inform my audience it is a myth that Christopher Columbus discovered the earth was round. I'm going to present how people believe this myth to be true and the reasons why this is overdone. One fact that everybody knows about medieval Europe is that the earth was flat. Also, the cliche about Columbus discovering the world was round on his voyage to the New World was so often told to us in our childhood that it was ingrained in our consciousness. Well, this is a myth and is completely false. I was most intrigued by this topic because it concerned the world history and it's about one of the most valuable discoveries by man, which I thought was true at first. Hence, I chose the topic, did a lot of research, and will share with you guys some of the interesting information I have uncovered. As college students, and that too from Purdue, we are preconceived by others to be smart and we have to live up to that reputation. We should have general knowledge, so here I am to provide you some. I'm going to present how people believe this myth to be true and the reason why this is overdone. First, I'm going to start off with how they believed this myth. Many people consider this myth to be true only because they were misled by others who believe it to be true, and the myth kept on spreading in various forms. One of the forms is that of a book. Actually, books in which it is written that Columbus discovered that the world was round. It was Washington Irving's History of the Life and Voyages of Christopher Columbus, published in 1828, that gave the myth real legs in the popular culture of the US. Also, in the book, World is Flat by Thomas Friedman says Columbus reported to the king and queen that the earth was round and went down in the history as the one who discovered that the earth was round, popularized it even more. Furthermore, it is frequently taught in grade schools that Christopher Columbus was the first to discover that the earth was round, which probably remains with the many people and the myth never died. The myth also stemmed from the fact that many of his opponents argued with him about the earth being round, which is untrue. The Round Earth and Columbus by David P. Stern. Columbus, as most of you guys know, wanted to travel to India via the west and calculated the distance to India. The distance he calculated was far less than the actual measure. The ones who opposed his voyage argued that the crew would die of starvation for the measure being wrong, but this was misrepresented by the voyage being argued about the earth being round. Contribution for the myth also came in the form of American chauvinism that wanted to believe that the world was steeped into ignorance before Columbus's voyage, and such a view enabled us to see the beginnings of modern America as coinciding with and perhaps the cause of a worldwide enlightenment. Jeffrey Burton Russell. As I have told you why many people believe this to be true, I am going to tell you why it is completely wrong. Columbus was not the first to discover that the earth was round. Thomas Cumanin in the Copernican Revolution in 1957 showed clearly that the idea of a flat earth was rejected very clearly in recorded history, and 80 other historians clearly showed that no educated person in the Middle Ages considered the earth to be flat. German historian Rainer Krüger and other scholars found about 100 writings about the earth's shape, in which 5 of them seemed to assert that the earth was flat, 2 were ambiguous, and the rest take the globe for granted. Also, it was common knowledge during Columbus's time that the earth was round. All the educated people knew that based upon careful observations and solid reasoning which were recorded. If you stand on the seashore and watch a ship sailing away, it will gradually disappear from view, but the reason cannot be the distance. If a hill or a tower nearby and you climb to the top after the ship has completely disappeared, it becomes visible again. It is as if the ship was dropping behind a hill, which in a way is exactly the case, the hill being the curve of the earth's surface. Also, when a ship disappears, the hull disappears first and then the masts and sails, which lends to the fact that the earth is round, and this information was known to the people in the medieval Europe. medieval period. This is actually a picture of the globe taken in 1492 before Columbus's New World discovery, which proves the fact that the medieval Europeans knew that the earth was round. The terrestrial globe was created by German cartographer Martin Behaim and is housed in the Bibliothèque Nationale, Paris, France. The first globe was created in the 2nd century BC by a grammarian named Crates. There are references to the measurements of the Earth's circumference as nearly as 3rd century BC. Aristotle, a Greek philosopher and the teacher of Alexander the Great, argued about the world being round in his writings, and he was the first one to talk about the Earth's diameter. But the first complete record of the measurement of the diameter comes from Eratosthenes in 270. Eratosthenes, the librarian of Alexandria, who arrived at a figure of 250,000 stadia, which is off by only about 5% from present-day measurements. In closing, I have presented how people believe this myth to be true and the reasons why this is overdone. It has not been proved who discovered that the world was round, but the credit of proving by actually sailing west to India went to Magellan's crew, who circumnavigated the whole world starting from Spain. As Columbus discovered America, but it is a myth that Columbus discovered the earth to be round.